On May 16, 2025, Mountain Home Police were dispatched after multiple 911 calls reported a man breaking into vehicles near a Hardee's parking lot. What started as a car burglary quickly turned into a multi-street foot chase as the suspect ran, tossed evidence, and jumped fences through a residential neighborhood. This is how it went down.
He just tried to break into another vehicle. He took off on foot, unknown direction of travel.
10-4. I'm 97 in the area.
So I was advising that he's back by Hardee's now.
Where's he at? Back behind the old pawn shop. I'm right. He's, he's somewhere over here behind GTS Physical Therapy. I lost track of him right here.
Oh, here he is. He's walking back toward Ray right now. 6 foot, bald head, green shirt, blue jeans. Hey. Coming back toward Russell. He's gonna be on Russell Street.
Down! Down! Down!
Too old for.
He broke into my car, into my driveway.
Too old for this.
I know. Stop! 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 Put your hands behind your back.
I got him, Rock.
Put your hands behind your back. You gotta get again.
Turn around, dude.
Turn around.
Turn around. Turn over.
Turn around. Turn around.
Okay.
Maybe go call me and I'll bail him out.
What do I do? What do I do?
You're an idiot.
Why?
That's what you did.
What did I do?
Stupid
10-15,
idiot.
taser deployed.
Petey, we got him.
Why are you chasing me?
For 15, one male.
Just not fast enough. Why
No.
are you guys chasing me?
Oh, gee, I don't know. Why don't you tell us?
Try, Brock.
Feel a slight jerk.
Huh?
You're gonna feel a slight jerk.
You got it. Hey. You stand by, I'll get a statement from you.
I got all the information.
Do you? Okay, all right. Damn, now you're gonna go to jail. Out of breath.
What are you running from me for?
Huh?
What are you running from me for?
Why are you
chasing me? Because you're breaking into people's shit. How? How? They witnessed it,
Hey.
dude. Who did?
Sit up, dude. Sit up. Get up. You wanna be a man and run? Get up. You can walk. Let me go get a car. Let me go get a car.
We can come back in mine if we need to.
Reach around, kind of thing.
How much have you had to drink?
What bond company do you work for?
First Arkansas.
Oh, okay.
I just like to make sure he didn't take anything out of our car. He was in a car in my driveway.
Well, I didn't. He did throw something over a fence. Yeah, you threw something over a fence. I saw you do it. It's on camera, dumbass.
What was it?
I don't know, but I'm going to find out.
Stop calling you dumbass either, sir.
Well, when you do dumbass things, you get called dumbass.
What did you call for me?
And you took off running.
I didn't know what you wanted, sir.
Okay.
You found
Well,
out.
now you found out.
Yes, sir, I did.
You're going to jail for felony B&E.
How?
How? You can't. When you break into somebody's vehicle with the intent,
I didn't break into nobody's vehicle, sir.
they saw you.
Sir, he was
Nah.
yelling at me and
Yeah, because you were breaking into his shit.
his mouth.
All right, dude.
I'm gonna go over here and see what he threw over the fence.
Okay.
Face me. Face me. And sit down. Makes it easier. Swing your legs in. Yes, sir.
Good shot. That's the second one I've been involved with you deploying taser. I was like,
I'm like, he's not running from me.
yeah.
Watch your foot. I see that.
Another one for the good guys.
Hey, I'm just going 15 with him to jail.
Yep, and then I'll let you know what the charges will be. I'm gonna go back here and see what this is. We got him for felony B&E for sure on the vehicle because they eyewitnessed him in it. And then I'm gonna get with the people at Wendy's because they have cameras. So we'll get him on. We'll get him on that. Welcome to Arkansas, Mr. Florida.
Is that where he's from?
Florida DL. He tried to jump this fence first and didn't make it when he threw the bag, and then he ended up running that way. T-shirt, that's it.
42's 97 to jail.
Yeah, boy.
We chased this guy who shot him with a taser.
Cool.
He don't want medical. Step out here. You walk with him.
Joseph Kite was arrested and charged with 2 counts of breaking and entering a vehicle, misdemeanor fleeing, and felony theft of property. His bond was set at $7,500. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.